Hello, welcome back. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to select or set up auto deposit on Scotiabank. So I'm still waiting for my account to be approved. So since I don't have access yet, I have a few screenshots here or visual aids for you to go through as we go on this tutorial. Let me just pull them up right here very quickly. So the first things first, of course, log into your account. That being said, this should be the landing page of your account, right? And then I just want you to click on this more options. Okay? Once you click on this more options right there, you're going to be headed to this platform. Simply, I want you to click on profile settings over here. And that being said, after that one, I want you to scroll down a little bit and look for manage auto deposits. Once you have this options right here, you're going to have this landing page and then simply click on setup auto deposit. Okay? After clicking this one, Scotiabank will ask for your email and then which account you're going to deposit the money to. So just enter your email right there, select an account, and don't forget to click this checkbox, okay? Click the register email and then just click on your or open your Gmail or email that you've used here and simply click on OK. You're just going to verify this transaction on your email, okay? After verifying it on your email, you're good to go. You've just set up auto deposit on Scotiabank. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.